Hey everyone, Walking Works for Tools channel. Been showing some car repair type stuff lately. We'll get back to that again soon, but let's get back to the tools. Haven't showed some tools in a while, and this is an M12 Milwaukee drill I've had for quite a while, and it has a 3/8 chuck. And I mentioned to my wife a while ago that I needed one with a bigger chuck because this drill bit set that I have from Matco, the Hyper Step drill bits, they didn't bother making the bigger drill bits have a smaller shank to be able to fit in a 3/8. You're okay when you're down here. When you get up to the bigger sizes, they're bigger. So I needed something that would accommodate that to be able to use like the 1/2 inch drill. So she found this one on sale for me online from Home Depot. And this is the M18. And see, there's a part number there. That's for the kit where we'll see what it comes with. Open this thing up. Get you a bag, carry it in. And this kit came with the drill, which is actually a bit smaller than the other one, more compact, or pretty close actually, but it is a smaller drill, so that will actually be easier to get into tighter spots. It's more compact as far as how long it is, but it is the M18, so it's going to have more power, no doubt, and it's got the 1/2 inch chuck, so we can fit this in here to be able to use the bigger ones. There we go. Now, that's a huge bit, so it's pretty long, but we'll take this thing off. With working on cars, I don't need to hang it on a belt. But this is going to be pretty cool. I really look forward to using it, especially when I need to use a bigger chuck. And in the pack, it came with the usual stuff, along with another charger that does both the M12 and the M18 charging. And then, of course, the cord is attached to it, and it came with the 2-amp battery. So that's pretty cool. Doesn't come very charged, but it does work. And then this has a couple settings, but this ought to be real nice. It's still got the settings here if you don't want it just on drill to have a clutch in it. So this will be cool. I look forward to using it. Thanks to my wife for getting me another one. Now I can use the bigger drill bits. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, don't just work for tools. Let the tools work for you. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.